Hi, I'm Dave Maloney. I'm the Group Editorial Director at Supply Chain Xchange. And we're coming today from the Yale booth at Edge 24. And with me is Dan Kachelmeyer. Hi, Dan. How are you?
Good. How are you?
And your role at Yale is?
Executive Business Manager.
Terrific. We're here at Edge. What kinds of exciting things are happening in the Yale booth?
Yeah, so we're here today to talk mainly about our Yale Reliant solution. So that's an operator assist solution. We're talking about object detection, proximity detection, some enhancements for safety on the trucks primarily.
And of course, Yale is a lift truck manufacturer. You make a wide range of different kinds of lift trucks.
Yep, that is correct. Yeah, we're a full line manufacturer, everything from all the electric all the way through the combustion, alternative energy.
And here is a reach truck. Tell us a little bit about the benefits of what we're talking about here.
Yeah, so this truck right here, this is one of our stand-up trucks, and we have our Yale Reliant System on here. So, as I mentioned before, we have a sensor on the bottom here looking out in a 270-degree plane. So it would detect objects within the back of the truck here, but also our ultra-wideband sensor on the top, truck-to-truck detection, truck-to-pedestrian detection. It also allows us to follow certain business rules within your warehouse environment, so stop signs, lift restrictions, things like that. So working, hand in hand with customers, listening to them, what they really need in their operations, really focusing on safety and innovation, and taking the feedback that they give us and putting it into design that we have partnered with them to design and bring to their operations.
So now, Dan, we've jumped onto the truck, or at least you jumped onto the truck. Tell us a little bit close hand as to what we're looking at.
Yeah. So the system you're looking at here, this is the screen that's going to give you all your information about the system. So on the top here, you're seeing your steer direction, your direction of travel, but also your lift height, your weight, also the angle of your forks as well here. So if you have any sort of height restriction or a weight restriction, or if you're overweight, or if your angle is too severe, the truck will actually give you the feedback, slow your lift, slow your speeds, and keep you in a safe state. But also on the bottom here, this is your speedometer. It'll also give you indications with the different lights here as to what it's seeing in its proximity. So behind me here, it's lighting up yellow because there's something it's seeing behind me. Now, as I'm getting closer to that, you'll start to see this light gray bar start to reduce, and it's limiting my speed the closer and closer I get to that object. Now, if I were to start steering away from that object and turning away to where I'm in a clear direction of travel, it would give me that speed back.
You started to tell me about a customer story of yours about someone who's had a really good experience using the Reliant system.
So we have many customers that use this system here today, and we thousands of these in operation. This specific customer had 7,000 or 8,000 of these in use, to the point where they actually wrote a letter to OSHA saying that they would recommend this system as a standard for our industry. And in the facilities that they use this, they were able to show a 100% reduction in forklift-related incidents.
And Dan, while there are a lot of safety features built into the truck, there's also some comfort for the operator. Can you explain some of that?
Yeah, absolutely. So on our truck here, we have the sensor system in the floor. So instead of having to stand on a traditional dead man pedal, presence pedal design, what we decided to design into the trucks is more of these lasers here. So on the outside of the truck, you have an egress laser, where if I were to trip this laser, it would stop the truck. You can kind of see it on my shoe here. But basically, if it's seeing me leave the compartment at all, it says, hey, not a safe situation. We're going to stop the truck until you correct your posture. Now, once I'm in the truck, it actually shows me these two lasers here on the ground that you can kind of see on my pants legs. And this makes sure that I'm in the compartment without me having to stand on any pedals. So as long as I have one of these tripped at all times, so it could be this one, it could be this one, it knows that I'm in the compartment. I'm able to move my legs around, adjust my posture even a little bit, and that allows me to take some of the weight off my back, my knees, and that's something that we really hear from a lot of operators out in the field that have to stand on those dead man switches all day is, I can't really adjust my feet, I can't adjust my weight, and I really go home with a sore back, sore knees at the end of the day. So this has been a big hit for us.
If someone wanted information while they're here at the show, where can they find you?
We are at booth 842. So we will be a little bit more towards the back here over by the tables, and we'll be here all week.
Great. And if someone isn't available at the show but is still seeing this video and would like more information on Yale and the Yale Reliant System, where can they find you?
Yeah, you can go to our website, www.yale.com, and if you're specifically interested in the Reliant system, yale.com/reliant.
Thank you, Dan.
Yeah, you're welcome.